In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export a prototype from Figma as a GIF. To get started, open your Figma file and make sure the prototype or frame you want to export is ready. Select the frame that contains the animation or interaction you want to capture. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, search for an Export to GIF plugin and install it if you haven't already. Once the plugin is available, run it and make sure your desired frame is selected. The plugin will detect the frame and provide export options such as resolution and animation settings. Adjust the settings if needed. Then click Export. After the processing is complete, save the GIF file to your computer. You can now use the exported GIF in presentations, websites, messages, or portfolio projects. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Figma prototype as a GIF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.